Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. You are looking at Podocarpus, a very short Podocarpus hedge that is designed for one purpose, and that is to screen out something behind it so that you can't see it. I don't know what's behind that section of hedge, and I don't know why they did not block this area right here, but you can see that they are blocking that from over here somewhat. It's a little odd, but the point is you can create very short hedges to screen something that's small. Just a thought, keep it in mind.